Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. You can find this sensor on the right edge, it's under volume buttons, and it's synchronized with power key. So right now I'm going to make few tries and we are going to check how this sensor will perform. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see, this sensor is really fast and it also recognized my fingerprint in a very try. So that's very good point. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.